Okay, this feels like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishabh, and today I have something over here. Actually, it's my sister's birthday. Okay, and I've ordered something for her, and I have to check as well, right? That whether that particular thing is an electronic gadget, so we have to check that whether it is working fine or not. So I thought, like, why don't we make unboxing video, a quick unboxing video? Okay, ordered from the Blinkit, and this is it. It says 3D moon lamp, and let's see. Okay, how does it look? Let me just open it. Okay, it's not visible over here, but yeah, let me open it. Okay. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, now let's see if we can properly. Sorry, let me just tilt down the camera a little bit so that I can see it more clearly. Okay, product something explanation, and this is how I guess we have to set up the stand. Okay, we have to check this, or else how we'll know whether this actually works or not. So I'm just quickly unwrap it. Okay, I have to again rewrap it so that it's as good it was when it was delivered to me, right? So to make sure that I don't tear this wrapping, so I have to again rewrap it. Okay, not that hard. Okay, this is the lamp. It's basically a moon lamp. The textures are good, and here we have all those. This is chargeable, so we have the USB plug-in over here, and then we have the button over here. Okay. Pressed it. I guess it needs to be charged. Let's see. Keeping this for a while, and then we have this particular thing that we need to set up to make it a stand. Okay, so three blocks. I think this all goes all together, and then okay, this is how we have to wrap it. Then yes, this goes. So we have holes over here. So this goes like this. Hope so. Yeah. Okay. And then we have over here. Not sure how we're gonna do it, but looks like we'll be able to do it. Okay. I'm not fixing it very strongly because I have to again remove it. So this is how it stands. If you can look at it, right? This is how it stands, and this is how it goes over here. Okay. Now it's not glowing up. That's what I can see. It's not coming up. Maybe it needs a little bit charging. It's not coming up. Let me just plug this in and see whether we have got the charge or not. So I'll get back to this, okay, once this is charged up. Okay, till then, take care. Hey guys, so I'm back, and this has been fully charged. Okay, let me just show you. I'm going to turn this up, okay, and then okay, so this is how it glows. Okay, so I'm going to make this room a little bit more darker so that you will see exactly how much does it glow. Okay, I'll again turn it off. Okay, I'll just go and turn off the lights, and I'll come back. Okay, it's pretty dark now. Okay, let me turn this on. This is actually beautiful, right? And then comes the other part. So when you basically tap on this, it changes its color. Oh, does it? Oh, now it is. Okay. Okay. This feels like, I don't know whether you guys have seen Shaktiman or not, but in that we had something called as, I don't know, Atmaling something, that basically used to provide the power to the Shaktiman, as well as it's the main villain to the Kilvish. That guy had something similar, half of. Okay. It's off. It's on. Okay. Oh my god. It's Kryptonian Superman. Blue. I don't know what to call for the blue. This is yellowish. This looks much beautiful, man. I think my sister will be quite amazed with this. She'll love this for her birthday, right? This is right. This will go really good in the night. Oh, this automatically changes the color as well. Oh, how should I stop it? Okay, it's stuck. Oh, nice. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, please again, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. And that's all. Thank you. See you in the next